Hello everyone, today we will unbox the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 Global Edition from Iraq. Now let's unlock the package. A nice packaging from the Xiaomi. Sorry guys. Let's slice it and let's open this beautiful phone. As you all guys can see, this is 6.39 inch flagship rear dual camera, color Islamic design, and this is, as you all guys can see, this is the slide. Now let's boot up this phone. Let's see, and this is the back of the phone. As you all guys can see, this is a ceramic. I love the design of this phone. Now let's see the packaging of the phone. What's inside this? Let's see. I think it's just a package, nothing in it. Yeah, I think nothing is. Now let's unlock the package and let's see if it's going to unlock. Sorry guys. Now as you guys can see, this is the wireless charging from the Xiaomi, and also fast charging and USB Type-C for the phone, you guys can see. And this is the package of the Mi Mix 3. Is this going to open or not? I think there is a plastic cover in it. Yes, there's a cover in it which Xiaomi give us, which is nice from them. Guys, this is the phone. It's really beautiful phone. I'm really loving this phone. Now let's just set up the phone. The phone is very smooth. And skip. Let's see. It's taking a little bit time. Let's finish it, and let's waiting for the apps to be loaded. So guys, this is the phone. So guys, any comparison, any speed test you want in the future, just tell me. With any phone you want, just tell me in the future and I will do it with this phone. Any speed test, any battery test, any camera test, if you want, just tell me in the comment section below and I will try to do it as soon as possible for you. So guys, you can see this phone is costing around $480 in my country, with a 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigabytes of internal storage. As you all guys can see, 6 gigabyte 128 with 2 SIM card and memory. Oh sorry guys, this phone can't handle micro SD card. I'm sorry for that. So guys, this was the unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3. As you all guys can see, this is a really good, beautiful phone. So guys, any speed test, any comparison, anything you want in the future, just tell me in the comment section below and I will try to do it for you as soon as possible. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you like it. Peace out for everyone, and thanks for watching for my videos.